Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, fine. So, can I have your resume, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Your name?
Nikita, ma'am.
Okay, where are you from?
Nizamabad, ma'am.
Nizamabad. Tell me something about yourself.
Myself, Nikita. I'm from Nizamabad. I have been completed my BTech recently, and my dream is to become a software engineer. And my technical skills are C, CVP, and Java. And I have done 2 projects recently, and one is about predicting the suicide rate using machine learning, and another is about job portal system. And my hobbies are listening music, and my family consists of 4 members, including me and my brother. And my short-term goal is to get a good job in reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position in MNC company. That's all about me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening music.
What kind of music you can listen?
Melodious, or any type of music I can listen.
Any type of music you can listen. Okay. I think you have done 2 projects in your
Yes.
academic, right? So one is by using Python. Do you have any knowledge on Python?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And so tell me the explanation for the project which you have developed by using machine learning, and what are the modules you have used. Okay. So your project is predicting the suicide rate using machine learning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me what are the modules you have used and what is the role you have played in the project.
Coming to my major product, it is a job portal system. And job portal system, it is about we have created a portal only for our college, and we have 4 modules in that. One is of placement officer, student, and another is of head of the department and principal. Placement officer plays an important role in this project. And coming to placement officer, he will say wherever the placement drives are allowed, and whatever the with how much percentage, if it is 75%, with that criteria only students should apply this job. So in that same way, students will apply according to this placement drives. And coming to head of the department, whoever got placed, those details will go on to the head of the department. And coming to students, they will apply by uploading their resumes. And coming to principal, he will know whoever got placed, but head of the department will see only the people whoever got placed from
I
CSE
think
background.
you are explaining job portal system
Yes.
project, right? I was asking about predicting the suicide rate using machine learning. You don't have any knowledge on that project?
I have knowledge, but
What is the purpose of that project actually?
we have predicted who are making suicides now. For that suicides, we have been predicted some using machine learning, like some of the details like tree-based algorithm and decision tree making algorithm. By using this, we have been created, and we got 75% out of 100.
So your technical skills are C, C++, Java, right? Okay. I will ask some questions on C language. Okay. So you are a fresher.
Yes, I'm a fresher.
Yes. Okay. So what are the advantages of C language?
It is easy and simple to understand, and it is an open source, and running speed is of very fast, and it is flexible, and it is portable, and also it is a procedural oriented language.
It is a procedure oriented language. Can you differentiate between structure and union?
Yes, ma'am. Coming to structure, it is a struct keyword we will use in structure, and coming to union, we will use union. And syntax for the structure is struct to struct name, and coming to union name. And flexible array is supported in the structure, and flexible array is not supported in union. And structure, it can handle all the elements of the member function, but in union only one single member can access the member function.
Okay. So what is a function in C language, and what are the advantages of functions?
Function is nothing but it is a block of statements that performs a specific task, and it is enclosed within flower braces. And coming to advantages, by using this function, the programmer who have no knowledge also, they can easily see that program, and they can understand easily. And it is code reusability, and it is called modularity. Modularity is nothing but a large extensive program divided into small parts.
Small parts. Okay. What is the difference between call by value and call by reference?
Call by value, a copy of the value is passed to the function, and coming to call by reference, an address of the value is passed to the functions, and actual arguments and formal arguments are different in this call by value. Actual arguments and formal arguments are same in call by references, and pointers are not used, and pointers are used in this call by reference, and it occupies more space in call by value, it occupies less space in call by reference.
Okay. So what is recursion function?
Recursion function, it is a process that contains a function inside another function which calls itself up to n number of times. For example, factorial. 5 factorial is nothing but 4 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 in that way.
Okay, factorial of a given number. Okay, that's fine. So what is a pointer? Okay, definition of a pointer in C language, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of pointer?
Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable, and it is denoted with asterisk. And coming to advantages, it is also code reusability, code modularity, and it will directly access to the memory location, and also it will directly access to more than it can return more than one return values, and also it is time complexity and execution time is very speed. And coming to disadvantages, pointers are slower than normal variables, and uninitialized pointers may cause some segmentation faults, and dynamically memory allocated should be free explicitly, otherwise it may lead to memory leak.
Okay. So what is a string? Okay, and explain methods which are present in C language. String methods. Okay, tell me the definition of string and explain. We are having some methods in strings concept. Explain each and every method clearly.
String is nothing but it is a collection of characters, and it is enclosed with null character. And
Enclosed with null character.
Null character.
Okay, but enclosed means how you can represent the strings. So how you can say that
At the
enclosed
end of
with
the character,
at the end
of
you
the
need to make it as a null
character.
character. Okay. Strings are represented in single quotes or double quotes.
It is
Okay.
represented in double quotes.
Okay.
Coming to string methods, strcat, it is used to concatenate the string, and also strcmp, it is used to compare, and it is used to return the comparing strings whether they are equal or not. And coming to strlength, it returns the length of the string. strlwr, it returns the lowercase letters, and coming to strupr, it returns uppercase letters. And coming to strcpy, it copies from one string to another string.
Copies the string from one
string
string
to
to another string. Okay, if you want to use these methods, what is the header file we need to use in C language?
For strings,
Yes,
hash include string.h.
string.h. Okay, what is an array in C language, and how many types of arrays we are having?
An array is nothing but it is a collection of similar data types, and it is a contiguous memory allocation, and array is denoted in square brackets, and there are of mainly two types: single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Single dimensional array is nothing but it contains only one dimension, like only one row. And coming to multi-dimensional array, it contains two dimensional arrays coming to rows. One is of row and another is of column.
Okay, so where we can use multi-dimensional arrays?
With matrix multiplication.
Only matrix multiplication, complete matrix concept. Completely. Okay. So what is token in C language?
Token is nothing but it is the smallest individual element, and for example, when we write a sentence, we need some words. In the same way, when we write a program, we need some tokens to write a program. So
Okay,
in that way,
what are the tokens present in C language?
Identifiers, keywords, strings, constants, and special characters.
How many keywords are there in C language?
56.
56. Is it true?
32
32. Okay.
in Java.
Okay, that's fine. What is an identifier? And if you want to represent any identifier, what are the rules you are having?
An identifier is nothing but it represents the name. For example, arrays, functions or variables. And rules for this identifiers is that it can be composed in lowercase letters, uppercase letters, alphabets and digits. But it should not start with digit. It can start with alphabets or underscore. And also identifier contains 31 characters. And also keywords are not used in these identifiers.
Okay, keywords cannot be used in identifiers. Okay, difference between source code from object code. What is the main difference between them? See, when you are executing any C program, whatever the source code we are converting into object code. So, what is the difference between them?
Source code is generated by humans and object code is generated by machines, and humans can understand easily in source code and machines can understand easily in object code. And also in source code it high level code is used, and in this object code low level code is used, and code level exists in plain text and code level exists in binary text.
Binary text.
Binary.
Okay, what are header files and what are the uses of header files?
Header files is nothing but it is a predefined standard libraries, and it is used at the starting of the program by using hash, and it is the start of the program hash include, and it is a preprocessor directive. And also
What are the uses?
coming to uses, it contains function prototypes and function declarations, and also it contains code reusability. We can implement another way, and also code modularity by dividing small parts.
When is the void keyword used in your function? See, sometimes when you are writing any function, you are mentioning void keyword before the function name.
Yes.
So, when to use that void keyword?
When we declare a function, we need to decide whether it returns some value or not. In the same way, if we won't declare any value or any value to that function, at that time it needs void function. For it means that it won't return anything and it won't return any value. In that way, we use void keyword.
So, what is the use of printf and scanf functions in C language?
Printf and scanf is used for input and output. Coming to printf, it is used to print output, and coming to scanf, it will take input from the user. Both are inbuilt library functions, and also both are used in stdio.h function.
Okay. So, what is the difference between local variables and global variables? Actually, in C language, if you want to declare any variable, the variable can be declared globally. Okay, the variable can be declared locally also. What is the main difference between them?
Local variable and global variable. Coming to local variable, a variable which is declared inside the function, and coming to global variable, a variable which is declared outside the function. And global variable is nothing but it is declared outside the function, and it is and local variable is declared within the function. And also local variable contains and also local variable is used within the function only, and it is used outside the function only.
Okay. Which one? Global variables.
Global is outside the function.
Okay.
And local variable is inside the
So,
function.
can we declare these global variables before the main method or end of the program? Is it possible?
Global variables. We can declare anywhere global variables, but local variables should be declared inside.
Inside only. Okay. So, write a C program. Okay. For bubble sort. Bubble sort means what? What is the meaning of
swapping in ascending order?
Swapping in ascending order. So, take one array. Okay. Randomly you can take the numbers. Okay. Randomly you can pick up some numbers. But you need to make that numbers in ascending order by using bubble sorting technique. Okay. While writing the program, you need to explain each and every line what we are writing. What you are writing. Okay. Yeah. Take it.
We are writing bubble sort program. This is a header file we need to take.
Okay.
It is a main function. We are declaring int I comma j comma n comma temp.
Okay. Why we are
It is a
using temp
temporary
variable?
It is a temporary variable.
For what
Sir,
purpose we are
We
writing
are
temp
storing
variable?
some values in array of I and array of j. For swapping, we are using this temporary
Okay.
variable.
N is a variable for
Number of elements.
number of elements.
Number of
I is a
rows. This is for columns.
okay.
We are printing number of elements. So we have taken input na. So we
Keep
need to
comma. Comma. Number of elements comma n. Quotations close comma n. You are writing wrong. N. Yes.
So we are taking scanf. It is for taking input. Scanf percentile d. This is a format specifier.
Okay.
We are taking n. We have already taken I and j, so we need not to take any int here. And again we are taking an array, int array of n.
So shall we keep flower brackets or no need?
Where, ma'am?
After for loop.
No need. It is
Okay.
optional, ma'am.
Okay.
So and again we are printing values for array. Printf. It means it is of array size. So we are taking scanf as percentile for here we need to take array size.
Okay.
Percentile d comma array of I. And again we are taking for, we have taken and again we are taking for j. It is completed and again we are taking for j, for j equals to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1, j plus plus.
Write down that side.
So here is a condition, if array of I greater than array of j. So we have declared temp. So we are taking now temp is equals to
Okay.
this array of I.
Array of j plus 1.
And again array of j plus 1. It is a swapping order. If we take array of j, it need to come here, and array of j plus 1 it need to come here. So
Okay.
it will go to temp. So after that we are sorting now. We need to take here sorted array. Here we need to print array size. Coming to explanation.
So in condition, did you return correct array of j greater than array of j plus 1 or array of I greater than array of j? Is the condition is true?
Array of I greater than array of j. You are saying here or here, ma'am?
No. In if condition only. Can we consider j or I value?
J value.
So keep it as j. So now array of j greater than array of j plus 1. So you are writing the logic wrong. Hmm. Now you can take one sample array with the elements of 5 or 6
I'll
elements.
take 4 elements.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, and 1. Index position from 0, 1, 2, 3. And
Speak
here
loud.
we are taking an value as n equals to 4 and it starts from index 0. And
Okay.
here our condition is about if array for I equals to 0, I less than n minus 1 means I equals to 0, I less than 4 minus 1. It means we get as I less than 3.
So you need to
0
perform
I
3
equals to,
iterations.
0 less than 3.
Okay.
And coming to j equals to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1 means 0 less than 4 minus I equals to 0 minus 1. It means 0 less than 3. So it will go to condition as array of j greater than array of j plus 1. Array of j equals to 0, array of 0 greater than array of 0 plus 1.
Okay.
It means array of 0 we have taken as 4. So 4 greater than 3. So condition is true. So it will go to swapping order. It means if it is 4, 3, 2, 1,
Okay.
it will change as in this way 3, 4, 2, 1. We have done only for this. So we need to do again for these two.
Okay. So
After that,
continuously you need to place the elements in
4
ascending
greater than
order.
2. So it gets as 3, 2, 4, 1. In the same way we need to continue up to last
Oh,
iterations.
okay.
So 3, 2, 1, 4.
Okay, until you will get the one into the
2,
first
3,
place.
4. This is of bubble sort.
Okay. Okay. Have yours. Okay. So your technical round is completed. Okay. So what are your salary expectations?
My salary expectations are as a fresher, my first priority is towards enhancing knowledge and skills, and it completely depends on company norms, and also I think it depends upon how much I deserve when I will do work. So in that way I will also accept as per the company norms also.
Okay. Why I need to hire you?
As a fresher, I want to implement my skills and knowledge, and I am enthusiastic to learn new things, and I am a quick learner, and I will try my level best for the good progress of your organization, and I will try my level best. So as a fresher, if you hire me, it will be a good opportunity for me.
Okay. So your interview is completed. So for further rounds, our HR will inform you.